Abžalbekov. One loss. Last control. Cheap. Stop. Center the table. Slowly going down, but it's important when you feel yourself 1,500 athletes. For the whole event, 9 days of competition, 600 meters. We'll have more details on how many meters there are in the event. We won't have that till tomorrow. Pretty much the same situation, only they're in straps now. Almost at the pin line. Let's see the result of the match. Let's see if we can able to hit. And he did. Winner and gold medalist. Bайтур Abžalbekov from Kazakhstan is the world champion. Up next, junior boys 75 kilograms. On the A side from Turkey is Hikmet